Hello guys, so WhatsApp is rolling out usernames for all accounts. So it means that now you'll be able to share your username with someone without giving them your phone number when they want to chat with you. If you want to see this, you have to just go to your U page and then go to account and you see username right here. Currently, it's in the phase where you can reserve your username as they are waiting for this to go out globally. So I've done mine. I can even go into edit the username and then change anything I want. Now, how that will work is that if somebody wants to chat with you on WhatsApp, you don't have to necessarily give them your phone number. You can just share your username with them and you'll be able to chat with the person without revealing your phone number, which is very cool. So as it stands now, you can just search for any username and then reserve it for now. And if you read their FAQs, they are not going to allow people to use celebrities' name or any government name, for example. So you can't just go and type in, let's say, USA or Bank of Ghana or something. What this means is that your username should be something that you are allowed to use, so you can't just use anything at all you want. So if you don't have the feature yet, make sure you update your app to the latest version. Go to your account and then you see username right here. And if you don't have it, it means that it's not up to you yet. It's not getting to your 10 yet. So just wait for a bit. Usually when it comes to your account, you get a notification and then you can go through the process. Another thing too is that if you give your username to someone, there's an option for you to check who can contact you by the username. That is everyone, or you can choose to share with individually and then give them the passkey. So it means that if I want to give you my username, I can just tell you and then give you the accompanying key to add it, so that it means that nobody can just add you or chat you without you being aware. So there's this privacy control here where you can control who can contact you by username. And I think it's very cool. So it means that if I want to give you my username, I can just give you the name and then the username key, and you can change it to any key you want. So it's not like one time key for everything. So it means that people will have more control over who can even contact them via the username, which is very, very great. So let me know in the comments, have you gotten yours yet? If not, wait for a while, check your App Store or Play Store, and ensure you're in the latest version, and hopefully you get it. Let me know if you try it out. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.